Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday, 10:26 in the morning. Papasok na naman ako sa trabaho mayang gabi, but again, kagising ko lang, magkape lang ako, and then I just opened the Facebook, social media, ganyan. May trend lang ngayon na bibigyan ko lang ng point of view or opinion, though this is actually personal to me dahil itong, just to give you an idea kung ano tong nakakapag-trigger sa akin para magbigay ng opinion ngayon is itong merong game show ang Showtime, alam niyo naman ang Showtime, it's a show sa GMA7 na previously galing sa ABS-CBN, lumipat ng GMA, and then they have this segment na game show na ang pangalan ay True Box, kung saan yung mga contestant na yun ay bibigyan ng trivia about history, ganyan. But again, this game show is actually parang limited lang tayo. You're only given limited span of time para makasagot. So may time pressure siya, ganyan. And trivia siya, general knowledge from the history, mga ganun-ganun drama sa buhay. And then, ito sa isang contestant, itong contestant na to, yang nandyan si Tony, nung inintroduce yung sarili niya or nag-flex siya na parang tapos siya ng master's degree, research presentations abroad, tapos teacher siya, nag-doctoral siya. Yung mga ganong na image ang binild at the beginning of the show. Trivia na hindi nasagot. And ang image na sinet up niya at the beginning of the show is parang alam niya, kasi nga, diba, educated ka na tao, dapat alam mo lahat. Ganyan. But ito, nag-gain siya ng hate ng mga netizens kasi nga bakit daw hindi alam, teacher ka daw, ganyan. So parang gusto ko lang siya bigyan ng opinion na, point of view ko lang naman, randomly na ko lang habang nagkakape dahil this is actually personal to me. Naranasan ko siya and I think marami na makakaranas dito. Kung sino pa yung mga judgmental, siguro sila yung mga hindi nakakaranas nito, and I'm pretty sure makaka-agree kayo or sasangayon kayo sa mga sasabihin ko dahil yun yung naman valid naman siya kasi nga naranasan ko siya. So, itong ganito kasi na in life, in general, in life, we tend as a human, we tend to build this facade. And facade can be any form. It can be like to show your knowledge, that you are smart enough, that you are educated person, that you are intelligent person, so that no one can intimidate or no one can even bring you down when it comes to education or knowledge. You're building this facade that no one can hurt you, no one can bring you down, no one can say in a hurtful word towards you kasi you have this facade na, okay, professional ka, alam ko lahat, mga ganyang drama sa buhay. That's one of the forms na pag-build ng facade. It can be also a form of luxury item, or you flex to the social media or to your friends or to the people who surrounded around you na, okay, I have this jewelry, I have this branded damit, I have this luxury lifestyle, I have this branded na mga Louis Vuitton na bag, I have this, yung mga ganong mga flex sa social media. We tend to build that image para no one can underestimate you na, okay, ito yung naghirap dati pero lumuwag yung buhay, So, yun yung mga image na gusto mong i-present, just to brag for yourself naman kasi, parang you're bragging not to show off sa mga but it's a way of motivating people. Yun yung mga goal, isa yun sa mga forms. That's why you bought a lot of luxury item and have it posted online, or di kaya isusuot mo, or di kaya online, or di kaya isuot mo talaga in real life. So that's one forms of building a facade. Or di naman kaya galit-galitan ka, matapang ka na tao, masungit ka na tao, or di kaya irritable ka na tao. You're building this facade na no one can bring you down. So yun, let's say for example, sa tatlo na example na yun na facade na yun, the thing here is, pag nakitaan ka na isang loophole ng mga tao na na-establish na yung ganong image mo, they can easily judge you and say something na masakit talaga. Every time makitaan ka lang ng vulnerable side of you after building this facade, madi-disappoint sila. I think that is actually good para to protect yourself, but the dark side of it, ang hirap niyang i-maintain. We're all human. Pwede tayong magkamali, pwede tayong mag-loophole, pwede tayong magkaroon ng vulnerability. Just like this, educated siya na tao, nakapagtapos, doctoral, hindi siya nakasagot sa trivia, and then everyone is actually questioning his knowledge. Kasi, ay, bobo naman pala. Parang ganun. So, same thing yung mga nag-flex ng mga alahas, branded na damit, yung mga nagsusuot, luxury lifestyle. And then, the moment na nakitaan ka, or di kaya manghiram ka ng uutang ka sa kaibigan mo dahil wala kang pangkain, or, you're running out of budget, tapos ihiram ka, ganyan, ikikwento ka pa. Or di kaya, sisiraan ka, alam mo, bakit nangungutang siya? Bakit dumating siya sa time na yun na nangungutang siya? Di ba mayaman yan? So, ibig sabihin, nagkunyari lang pala yan. So, you can't be vulnerable at any time. And, kasi nga meron kang facade na binibuild at the beginning. Same thing sa, halimbawa, pag masungit ka, hindi, matapang ka, you are a leader, you are strong, that's the facade that you actually displayed the whole time. The moment na makitaan kanila na super down, o di kayo umiyak ka, and you are deciding such situation in the middle of emotion, ano nila yan? Question na nila yung integrity mo. Iba na yung tingin nila sa'yo. That is the normal response sa mga tao na, you have already established that image. And then, bawal. And then, hindi na natin iniisip, guys, sa tao tayo. Pwede tayong mag-show ng vulnerability, kahinaan, pwede tayong magkamali. And those things are tickets to life. This is really personal to me actually, kasi pwede mo siyang i-move on, mag-learning ka, part of learning yun. Diba? Tao tayo, pwede tayong magkamali, ma'am. Pwede tayong mangutang, and whenever we're running out of budget, kahit nakaalahas ka or ano pa man. Diba? Hindi ka bawasan. It won't make you less of a person kung mapakumbaba ka minsan in the middle of, vulnerability to show your weak side. Yung mga ganon. Yun lang, sobrang parang nakakaano lang kasi minsan nakakalimutan natin na yung tulad nan, mga artista na ganyan, sobrang taas yung tingin natin. Pero the moment na lalabas yung scandal nila or video sex scandal na ganyan, iba na yung tingin natin sa kanila. Mga tao yan. Mga tao yan. Na-earlag din yan mga yan. Natitilag din yung mga ganyan. Just so happen, they are actually center of this type na yung attraction talagang hindi mawawala sa kanila, yung center of attention ay nasa kanila, bawal talaga magkamali. Same thing with you. It can you or anyone else na you will be subject for scrutiny at the end of the day. Yun lang naman ang iniisip ko na pwede tayong magkamali, ma'am, ha? Pwede tayong umiyak, pwede tayong magkamali ng sagot. Just especially ganito, nag-game show lang naman to. That doesn't define who you are, your achievement for the whole life na pinaghirapan mo, nagkamali ka lang sa isang trivia ng game show, and then, they're questioning your credibility moving forward. No, yun ang mali natin kasi ranas ko yan. Alam mo yung, lalo na in a professional setting, kasi I work in a call center, in a corporate setting for a longer time, and, people are diverse, and iba-iba yan. So, we tend to create this persona or this image na, okay, I'm strong, I'm knowledgeable, because I don't wanna someone else na, will intimidate me, or di naman kaya will bring me down. Yung mga ganon. May mga ganon kang drama sa buhay That's really up to you kung ano yung facade na binibuild nyo. And hindi ka pwede magkamali. And the moment na magkamali ka, yung isang pagkakamali mo, wala yung pinaghirapan mo na 10 magandang bagay. And that's not just in a corporate setting. In real life, even sa family mo, even sa mga tao na kapalibot sa'yo. That's why, bilang tayo, isipin natin na mga tao we're all human. Pag ikaw, wag masyadong build ng facade, ma'am. Huwag tayong super flex, wag rin tayo, kasi minsan tayo na rin nag-create, kasi there's always a dark side of it. Yun lang din naman, at saka kung ikaw din naman, tao na nakakita ng ganong image, wag din natin silang maliitin, dahil Lahat tayo pwedeng subject ng pagkamali. We all failed and that's always take it to life. Pwede mo maggamitin yan as a learning moving forward. Yun lang naman ang aking kuda for today's video. Ay, nako. Sana nag-gets niyo yung dami kong sinasabi.